shop. I went to both. Today I decided to go to both Checkers and Woolworths because there's just different prices and different things that I wanted to get from both shops. And I decided to separate my things according to veggies, starches, and then junk food. And yeah, okay, so let's begin. So I have onions, brown onions, that I'm going to be using to cook, you know, everything. If you don't use it to make, but again, I have tomatoes. Actually, at Checkers, this and the green pepper and the lettuce and the cucumber were all 50 rand. But if you bought them individually together, it would be something like 70 rand. So it was a 20 rand save. So I'm glad I got that. And then I got tomatoes from Woolworths. I got 2 packets of brinjals because it was 2 for 35, as you guys can see here. I got apples from Woolies, but we got hungry, so I ate 1 or 2. And then I have lemon juice that I use in cooking, and I use in my water when I drink a lot of water. Like I said, guys, drink your water. Okay. And then frozen veggies, I got the garden mix, 1 packet, and I got a packet of spinach. I wanted to get fresh spinach, but then I realized that the frozen spinach, you had 1 kg for 29, whereas the fresh spinach was 250 grams for 22. So it was much cheaper because I have 4 times the amount of fresh spinach in here. Then I got some spice, pepper for taste, warrior compound for color, cayenne pepper. And cayenne pepper is good for your blood circulation, basically ensuring that your blood is moving around your body nicely, and which is good, especially for your skin, to ensure that your skin is being cleansed, I guess, by the water that you're drinking. And then warrior compound is turmeric, and turmeric is used for color, like I said, but it's also used it's a good anti-inflammatory, and that is good for pimples. And if you go to the gym a lot and you work out, it's good for body aches and like muscles, to ensure that your muscles are anti-inflamed.
What's going on?
It was just, you know, just a conversation. And then I got cumin seeds for when I make curries. I really like whole cumin seeds. I feel like it's better than using the powdered one because it's more flavor, more punch. And then I have mixed herbs. I'm sorry. And then I have thyme for, you know, mixed herbs and thyme. I really like thyme. Oh, we forgot about my 2 flowers. Paprika and cumin. Sorry, cinnamon. The cinnamon is for the banana bread. I'm going to make banana bread. That's why I got some flour and some baking powder. And also just for curries, because sometimes I like to use cinnamon in curry. Less than often, but you know. And then the paprika is for when I make pasta and I want to add more color to my food. And also, honestly, I don't know, you guys tell me, do you think paprika has a taste? Because I feel like it doesn't. The Checkers. Oh, and I also got the spices at Checkers and the salt. And then I have potatoes, 1 kg, 2 kg, 2 kg potatoes from Woolworths. So that's my starch. I have pasta. At Woolworths was actually a sale, 5 for 50, I think. 5 for 50, yeah, for pasta. And then I have flour and baking powder. I can use as a thickener, I can use to bake with, and yeah. And then I got popcorn seeds because I really like popcorn seeds. To eat. Sometimes I have popcorn as a meal if I'm too lazy to actually make food. And then I have beans for my protein since I don't eat meat.
Oh, strong.
Okay, I have my beans. I got beans for protein, mostly for protein, since I don't eat meat, if you guys didn't know. So I try and get protein as much as I can. I also got coconut milk, and as you can see, I didn't get there was the low fat one, but I don't suggest that you guys get low fat milk because the fats in natural whole foods is actually good for you, as opposed to the fats that you find in butter. So with butter, I know it doesn't say vegan, but this is actually vegan. And the vegan Flora butter, I don't know if you've seen it, I'll insert a picture here. The vegan Flora butter is actually 60% fat spread, and it's not a whole food, and yeah, so and the protein in this is much higher, so I thought to get this instead. So you guys should read your labels. Don't trust. Sometimes they just want to scam us in shops, really. You save now, and then it's not safe. And then I got chickpeas for me to make coconut curry with the coconut milk, and I'm actually gonna release a recipe for that, and for hummus as well. Okay, and then I have yogurt because I haven't had yogurt in a long time, and I figured it would just be an easy breakfast on the go. I can take this with a packet of my what do you call it again? My rye crisp breads. And then peanuts, I opened some because I was hungry, but I didn't manage to get peanut butter. My favorite peanut butter, which is the Simple Truth one, was actually really finished. So, and then John, I got chips. These are not for me. They say sour cream and chives, not for me. I don't eat dairy. It's my friend. And this is mine.
Yes, it's mine.
And oh, I talked about this. Did I talk about this?
No, you didn't actually.
Lemon juice for water, like I said, drink water, and it helps. This is my special power. This is my little secret. This is my special something. Water. And John, basically Oreos, and
Yeah, who doesn't like Oreos?
yeah, and also they were on sale. It was one for 14, and usually Oreos are like 26
Huh?
rand. Yeah.
One for 14?
One for 14 rand. So I got 2. Yeah. And that's it. So my total from Woolworths was 298, and I saved 67 rand. So, and then from Checkers it was 470, and I saved 35 rand. So, yeah. I hope that you guys can see the nice plethora of vegetables here, the nice array of vegetables that I'm showing, trying to encourage you guys to get your macronutrients in.
That's also really surprising, the whole price difference thing. Because you would expect stuff like your groceries from Woolworths to be like way more
Yeah,
expensive.
people have think like Woolworths is expensive. It's not really, unless you're buying for a big family. It's not really expensive. Anyway, so
Cut it?
oh, and please pay me like and subscribe and enjoy and share and smile and be happy.
Oh, I love this. She looks so nice.
What do they call that shit? I don't know what they call it in English, but yeah, we used to play with this shit. We used to cook this shit. What talking about? That's nice. Can you stop that? I'm sorry.
So I'm actually
May, don't forget the camera. The angle of the camera. The angle, no, the other way. Yes. So all along you've been making my head pee, basically. Can I please see?